Take 6. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I have a beginner's twerk tutorial for you, which encompasses 4 basic moves that I'll put into a choreography at the end. Very simple, very easy for you to do from the comfort of your own home, just like I'm in myself. So come along and join the ride. I hope you like it. Okay guys, now we're going to go over the 3 basic twerk moves that make up this choreography, and they're very simple beginner's level twerk moves, as I said. So just follow me and you'll be fine. So first things first, we're going to go over the basic twerk, standard up and down. So first things first, you want to bend nice and low into your semi-squat position. Not too low, a good amount, nice and deep. And you want to make sure your chest is nice and open to the front. You want to maintain good posture so you don't harm your back or your knees, because twerking can be a dangerous sport depending on how you do it. And I'm going to rest my hands above my knees. So not on them, above them, in the lower thigh region. You don't want to distribute any weight onto your knees because that can give you really bad issues later on. So here I am, nice and easy, and I'm going to just check a little bit. I'm going to round and arch my back, and emphasis on the butt. I really want to make sure there's a lot of room in that area and that I've got a good positioning there. And then I'm just going to twerk. I'm going to move my booty up and down. Lift using my tailbone, so my lower back, but also using my gluteus maximus. I'm going to get up and down, up, down, up, down. Now for some people, they have an issue sometimes where they really twerk with the back, but like I said, you want to twerk with the lower back and the glutes, not the upper back. Really keep that nice and center. So that's why I say open your chest out to the front. So we go again. We're going to flick up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Great. Okay, so what you can do to also extend the move a bit further is you can move your knees inwards and outwards. So I'll show you from the front how it goes. So here I'm down in my squat position. I'm going to feel my booty up. I'm going to bring my knees in a little bit, and to bring it down, open, up, open, up, open. Yep. I can show you what it looks like from behind. So here, down in my toe position again, and booty goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the puppy tail. I'll show you first what it looks like, and then I'm going to go over it. So it's when your booty moves from side to side, kind of like an excited puppy. Here, my hands are going to be on the outside because of this one. I always do business. And then so first I'm going to lift my right cheek up a little bit by straightening my left knee. I'm going to bring it down on one side, and the left side is up. So I bring it down on the right, swap it for the left, down. Boom, 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 boom. That's what it's like from behind. Now I'll show you from the side so you can see what my knees are doing. Because each time I go down on one side, that knee extends a bit more to the front. So I'll show you from the side. Here my right side goes down. So right now my knees are in line. Then my right side goes down. 1. See how my right knee is a bit more in front? I'm going to swap it out for the left. 2. And again, swap. Boom, 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 boom. Nice and easy. So with this one, it's really nice because you can do like very little but get a lot of work. So we're going to just try that again, and then we're going to work on speeding up a bit more. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. I'll show you what that's like from behind. 2, nice and low. We're gonna go half time first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the second move done. So we have our basic up, down, up, down, up, down. Then our puppy tail, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then double time, double time. Nice. So now we're gonna go into the booty bounce. So here, I'll just show you once again. Here, and now we have a different position. And here, I'm just gonna bounce my booty up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now you're wondering, how am I doing that? I'm gonna show you. So, first I'm gonna show you how the stance of this move differs from the other two. The other two, I was bent in my semi-squat position, and my knees were facing towards the front. This time, I'm gonna open my feet and my knees out to the side, nice and wide. And here, because of this, I can sink even lower. Then I'm gonna lift my booty up and down, just like how I did before, but I'm gonna do it much faster. And the emphasis here is really on bouncing it down. So you wanna emphasize on down, down, down. So you wanna go down, 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 down. Every time you hit down, you wanna bring it up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, bounce, bounce. I can show you from the side. Bounce, 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 bounce. Now this one is definitely a bit painful for the quads, but once again, no pain, no gain. So I'm going to show you that from the back. Okay, once again, I'm not in my basic twerk stance. I'm opening my feet out and my knees out to the side, sinking even lower, and I'm going to just shake my booty up and down, up, down. And I'm going to speed it up, and then I can bring my hands up, and bounce, 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 bounce. And done. So those are the simple moves that we just went through. Now we're going to put them all together, one by one, and then we're going to try it with some music. So first move, we have our basic twerk. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then side. Left, right, left, right, left. Then we speed it up. We go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Last move, bring it down for our bounce, 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 and we're done. Okay, so let's bring that into some music and see how it works. Okay, we're going to start with the basic twerk, straight up and down. Let's go. 2, 1, 2, and 4, 3, 2, side, side, hit right, left. Speed it up, double time, move, move. And then up, down. Keep it going, 4, 3, 2, then we bounce. Okay, little break. We're gonna go again. Here we go. Oh, 5, 6, 7, up and down. Lift it up, down. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Side to side. Hit it right, left. And move faster. And again. Down. 8 and bounce, left. Hands up, twerk it faster. Okay, so we've done it 2 times. Hopefully you get the drift. So we'll do it again. Okay, we're going to try the routine from top to bottom. So first, we're just going to go 1, 1, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic twerk. Here we go. Yes. Up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit it.